What results can you actually deliver for clients? Real implementations, real ROI.
Well, one of the key things in services related to project management and engineering is the value of time and productivity. My client was going through is that they needed to really reduce the time they spend in some of the office work. And our solution really reduced the time from 10 to 15 minutes to 20 seconds per operation, per process. Which of course gave them the chance to leverage this time in some more value-generating activities.
We use AI to analyze the data, and what that's going to do is provide us some continuous improvement initiatives, 10 to 15 in continuous improvement initiatives. And then based on those initiatives, we could actually deploy AI agents to go out and solve the problems that the AI is originally identifying. We use data analytics to identify where the problems exist. And then we could use AI agents and automation to actually go out and solve each of those problems. So in the manufacturing world, a very common one that we run into is, especially with all the tariffs, is alternative suppliers. Can you be buying your raw material at a lower price? What we do is we could actually go out and talk to other vendors and research, what suppliers provide the same material for a lower price, and then go out and put the purchase order in the system directly.
What you generally find in the financial advice industry specifically is that there's quite a lot of administration and quite a lot of compliance. So there's a lot of paperwork that's involved. And that paperwork needs to be completed, otherwise you run the risk of losing your license. So we find that AI and RPA or any type of automation can help streamline that whole process. Advisors are very open to that and are willing to have that conversation.
From 15 minutes to 22 seconds, AI agents placing purchase orders, real automation, real results, ValentaFranchise.com.